Hey, what's up you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to bring you guys an amazing video today on how to assemble and use your wonderful Nama juicer to make fresh as it gets OJ in the morning. If you're interested in this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll be a part of the notification gang so you won't miss any of the videos. So the first thing you're gonna do is I plug the Nama in. Then you're gonna go and take the strainer of your choice. For orange juice, you're gonna use the juice strainer. And you're gonna put it right in this black piece right here. It nestles right in. Set that aside. And then you're gonna go ahead and take this part of the juicer right here. And it should snap right in like that so you know that you're doing it the right way. So yeah, you guys, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the juicer strainer part that we assembled before, and you're gonna take the solid black piece like this right here, and you're going to slip it inside with the little knob facing the top and the square hole on the bottom right here. And then you're going to drop it right into the chamber, and it should snap right in. So the last thing you need to assemble your juicer is the top piece right here. I told you guys the Nama is like so easy to use. So make sure you guys, before we put this piece on, make sure you have this little knob over here that goes from open to close. And then you're going to drop your top in, line the lines up, twist, snap, boom, we're on line. So it's as easy as that, you guys. And yeah, let me get my cutting board and we're going to get this video rolling right now. Guys, so I'm going to take my juice container for the juice, put it underneath that spout, put the pulp receptacle there. I'm gonna put my pusher right on the top. I have my bag of fresh oranges that I got from Instacart delivery this week. My first time getting a delivery from Instacart. But yeah, it worked out pretty good. And when you juice oranges, you're not gonna juice the skin. So yeah, you guys, this is one of my favorite juices to make, but I actually never made orange juice on my Nama before, so you and me are going to experience it together. I only made it on one of the faster speed juicers, the centrifugal juicers. If you have bigger oranges, you can probably do less oranges, but these are pretty small. Okay, you guys, so time to flip it on, and you notice the Nama is super quiet compared to other juicers. I'm actually gonna quarter my oranges to make them easier to slip in through the top opening. There's nothing better than fresh juice in the morning. Okay, guys, so you're gonna take the pusher out and simply take the oranges and put them right in. Ooh, and it's already starting to juice. I'm loving it. And as you can see, the Nama is super easy to use. You know what, guys? I think I'm actually gonna do a 5th orange. So yeah, you guys, here's the 5th orange going right in. Let me go get my jar to bottle this up. Okay, you guys, so here is my bottle, and I got these off of Amazon. They're BPA free, solid glass, and they're 18 ounces. So once the juicer is finished juicing, I'm going to turn it off and close this little spout here so that nothing extra coming out drips on the counter. And then here is the juice, you guys. Look how fresh and amazing it looks. Lovely. So let's give this juice a try. That is so refreshing, sweet, no pulp, just pure orangey goodness. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for dropping by this quick and fun Nama juicing video. I hope you enjoyed this orange juice juicing video as much as I did, and make sure to drop a comment down below. What is your favorite juice, and do you guys also juice oranges on your Nama or on whatever juicer that you guys use at home? So yeah, you guys, have a great day, and I'll see you guys on my next video next week. Stay safe out there, stay living your life with a smile on your face, or not, maybe just a smile on the inside. But yeah, you guys, I'll see you around, and yeah, that's it. Later.